Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ayan, so let's see what's coming to you second half ng July, July 16 to 31. Energy update. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate. Pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar link on the description or comment section. Okay, Libra. Ano? Ano yung energies for you second half ng July? Second half ng July. Okay, may lumipad. Purpose. Oh. So you will realize your purpose or mas magiging purpose-driven yung life ninyo ngayong second half ng July. Parang naghahanap ka ng ng purpose mo sa buhay na pwedeng part ng self-awakening, ganyan. Spiritual awakening. Oh, also your faith. Some of you, more on the spiritual side, yung energy ninyo, Libra. It's like you are looking for a solid faith or solid na belief system wherein masasabi mo na talagang it is resonating your life na sinusupport niyan yung iyong purpose sa buhay. You have protection, 444. Ayan. So, this is about protecting your energies, protecting yourself. Part of, like, para siyang spiritual hygiene na yung iba sa inyo, you may need to do some cleansing or mga rituals that will help you to protect your energies, especially kung marami kang laging nakakasalamuhang tao or you are dealing with a lot of people like sa work mo. That's part of your protecting your energies. Your overall energies, the Ace of Pentacles, this is new beginnings. Yung opportunities sa trabaho, sa career, workplace, pwedeng may nagsisimula sa inyo. This can also mean like meron kang, para siyang puhunan, no? Pwedeng magsa-start ka ng negosyo or you are investing, mag-i-invest ka sa isang sa isang company, or you are investing on yourself para mag-align ka sa purpose mo. Now, your challenge is Apprentice of Cups. So, there are times na masyadong parang nasa clouds. Yung sabihin is, laging nagwi-wish-wish lang, no? Yung tipong, ito yung gusto ko mangyari, ganyan, iniisip mo lang siya, ini-imagine mo. More on the imagination side, but you are not taking action. So, yun yung challenge mo na paano ka makakapag-take ng action. Ano yung step na kailangan mo nang gawin. Kasi andun na yung idea sa'yo Andun na yung idea, andun na yung imagination mo, it's really working, andun na yung creative idea mo na paano mo siya sisimulan. Your opportunity is the Four of Swords. This is about healing from your past, healing from your trauma. Maaring iba sa inyo nagkasakit, no, in the past weeks. And ngayong second half ng July, you have the opportunity to take a step back, to heal, to relax. Let's see your blessing. The blessing is the Champion of Pentacles. So as a blessing, this is stability in your finances, stability in your career. You may think na parang walang nangyayari, but actually something is happening in the background. Pwedeng hindi lang yan nakikita sa ngayon. But ano man yung sinimulan mo, ano man yung tinanim mo, ano man yung effort na binibigay mo, meron tong magiging resulta na pang matagalan. Kumbaga long-term effect yan para sa'yo. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang if you know na yan yung alignment mo sa iyong life's purpose, do it. Just take action, work things out. Let's see what else. Nothing will come of this situation. Void of course, Moon. Ayan. Kung meron ka mga iniiwasan na gawin, kasi inconvenient sa'yo, hindi naman to, kumbaga wala kang kailangang asahan na resulta doon kasi hindi ka nga nagtitake ng action. So, ang importante rito is you know what you want, you know the direction that you're going to, and you are taking action doon sa gusto mong ma-pursue sa buhay. Push through any insecurity. Alam nyo, iyan din kasi yung isa sa dahilan kaya bakit hindi natin talaga nagagawa yung gusto natin. Dahil insecure tayo. When we say insecure, minsan yung isip mo, ay insecure ka kasi kino-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba. But actually, it's not that kind of insecurity. It's about the feeling of you are lacking something, no? Yung parang you're not good enough, no? May issues ka sa confidence mo, low self-esteem. So, mahirap talaga kung lagi mo iisipin yun, wala kang masisimulan. Okay? Wala kang masisimulan. So, you have to start now. This is the best time to do. This is the best time to start, you know? Push through any insecurity. Kung ano man yung pagkukulang mo, kasi wala nang perfectong tao eh. Lahat tayo meron tayong insecurities. Pero, di ba, hindi naman lahat ayaw gawin yung gusto nila. Yung iba nga, yun pa yung ginagamit nila. Yung iba, ginagamit pa nila yung insecurity nila para mas lalo silang sumikat or mas lalong gumanda yung buhay nila. Diba? Kailangan mo lang talaga lakas ng loob and you have to start somewhere. Diba? So let's see what else for Libra. Okay, you have, diba? You have Mars and Aries in the 4th house. I think kasi, yung iba sa inyo, kanina 4th house to. Anyway, 4th house. Ayan. So, Mars and Aries in the 4th house, this is about your foundation. Ano ba yung kinalakihan mo? Ano ba yung upbringing sa ng family mo? Kasi kung lagi kang yung parang dinidiscourage ng family mo. Now, ikaw yung magbigay ng encouragement sa sarili mo to do the things that you want to do and to be the leader, you know? You have Tiwas. This is about leadership. This is about victory and courage. Kung magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob, no, magtitiwala ka sa sarili mo, you will gain your purpose. Kumbaga, ma-align mo yung sarili mo sa purpose mo. You also have Hagalas. So, Hagalas kasi, ito yung mga delays, challenges. May mga pagkakataon kasi na pag nakakaranas ka na ng mga challenges, parang, ayaw mo na. Oo, hindi na. Wag mo nang gawin. Parang ganon. But, yun kasi yung, kumbaga tinetest. Tinetest yung sarili mo kung talaga bang ready ka na to do this? Are you really doing this for your purpose? O dahil lang you want to prove something sa ibang tao? Diba? So, also, Turisas here is about your defense, your protection. So, you really need to protect yourself kasi pwedeng meron mga taong nagtitry na i-control ka or itinitry nila na parang i-pull you down para hindi mo sila maangatan kasi alam nila kung ano yung potential mo. So, wag mong hayaang mangyari yon. Okay? Trust yourself and align to your purpose. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.